Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel for modern and easy do-it-yourself wall hanging art ideas to elevate your craft room decoration. Consider these creative and straightforward suggestions. Choose a color scheme. Start by selecting a color scheme that complements your craft room decor, whether you prefer bold and vibrant colors or soft pastels. Coordinating your wall hanging art with the room's palettes will create a cohesive look. Abstract canvas art. Create abstract canvas art by painting bold brush strokes or geometric shapes onto a black canvas. Experiment with different colors and textures to add visual stress. You can also use Pinterest tips to create clean lines and crisp edges for a more polished look. Macrame wall hangings are trendy and versatile option for adding textures and dimension to your craft room walls. Learn basic macrame knots and techniques to create intricate patterns and designs. Hang your macrame creations using a modern towel or copper pipe for a modern touch. There are many types of decoration items and ideas in which we will discuss these ideas later in a later video. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe and like Interior Designs channel.